Understanding Giraffe's Large Eyes, a guide to descriptive phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English, descriptive phrases. Specifically, we'll dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, giraffe's large eyes. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your descriptive skills in English. Let's get started. The phrase, giraffe's large eyes, consists of three main parts: giraffes, large, and eyes. Let's explore what each part signifies. Giraffes indicates possession. It means that the eyes belong to a giraffe. This form of showing possession is common in English and is created by adding s to the noun. Large is an adjective that describes the size of the eyes. Adjectives are words that modify or describe nouns, providing more information about them. Eyes is the noun being described. It's what we're talking about: the visual organs of the giraffe. Descriptive phrases like giraffe's large eyes play a crucial role in English. They help us provide clarity. By specifying which giraffe we're talking about, the one with large eyes, we avoid confusion. Create vivid imagery. Descriptive phrases enable listeners or readers to visualize what is being described, making communication more engaging and effective. Enhance communication. Using descriptive phrases enriches your language, allowing you to express yourself more precisely and beautifully. To effectively use descriptive phrases in English, follow these tips. Be observant. Notice details about the people, places, and things around you. Choose the right adjectives. Select adjectives that accurately convey what you want to describe. Practice. Incorporate descriptive phrases into your daily conversations and writing exercises. It will become more natural over time. We hope this video has shed light on how to understand and use descriptive phrases like giraffe's large eyes in English. These phrases enrich your language and help convey your thoughts more vividly. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with different descriptions in your conversations and writing. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.